Good day, everyone. Today we want to look at how to read a micrometer screw gauge. A micrometer screw gauge is an instrument that is used to measure very small lengths. For example, the thickness of a ruler. So let's see how we read it. We are going to look at two scales here. This is the main scale and this is the mini scale. And sometimes we can call the mini scale vernier scale. So now this is from 0 to 1. We're on the main scale now. You can see that if you count, this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So each line under it is just 0.5. So that means here now is going to be 5.5. So we say 5 on the main scale. Our main scale reading is 5.5 millimeter. Then we look at the other scale, the mini scale, our vernier scale. We're going to look at where the two scales intersect. Because our main scale could not measure this just small distance here, this small distance here. So that's what our mini scale is going to measure for us. So if you draw this scale, this straight line here, so it's going to intersect with the other scale, and that's where we're going to measure. So this is 40, the next line is going to be 41, and the next one is 42. So our vernier scale is going to be 0.01 multiplied by 42. We have to multiply that by 0.01. That's going to give us 0.42 millimeter. So adding the two together, we're going to have 5.50 millimeter plus 0.42 millimeter, and that's going to give us 5.92 millimeter. That's simple. Let's try another one. On this one, let's look at our main scale first. This is our main scale. We have 0, 1, and in between that we have 4 gaps. So each one divided by 4, this one is going to be 0.25. That means this place is going to be 0.25, followed by 0.5, then 0.75, then 1. So each line is 0.25. So now if you look at it, this is 3, and there's a line after it. That's going to be, main scale will be 3.25 millimeter. Now we look at our vernier scale. Our vernier scale is going to be, let's look at where these two scales are intersecting. I draw a straight line like this. Can you see? So if you look at it, this is 11, 12, 13. So it's going to be 0.01 multiplied by 13. That's 0.13 millimeter. So adding the two together, 3.25 millimeter plus 0.13 millimeter, our reading is going to be 3.38 millimeter. So simple.